Alright, so today's video is about slow motion effects and how you can slow down and speed up your videos using the SYN-FX app on iOS. So basically, first, just pick the section of the clip you want to slow down or speed up. So if you want to slow down the whole thing, we just tap the clip and then we go down to speed. And if you pick anything under 1, so let's say if we set it to 0.5, then that's going to slow down the whole clip. So now it's running at half the speed. If I undo it, and let's say we want to speed it up, I can set it to 2x, and now the whole clip is running at 2x. So basically, if you speed it up, it'll shorten the clip, and if you slow it down, it'll make the clip longer. Okay, so that's about it, and let's try something interesting. So we've also got, so that was fixed speed. We also have something called speed ramps, which basically it starts at one speed and then curves into another speed, and then as you can see below. So what we can do is, let's do a split here and a split here, and then we can add a speed ramp to the middle section. So we can either pick, let's just do a rhythmic one, so it's fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow. And then we pick the last one and we send it to 10x. So now we basically got this kind of slingshot effect where it's gonna start slow, then pulse a bit, and then go. So in this case, it was very small because we don't have enough source footage. So if we were doing this properly, I would make the cut a bit earlier. So we split here, and then this part we can add the speed ramp on, so it was rhythmic. So yeah, that looks better. And now we have a bit more at the end to make it go further. So still not much, but you get the point. So if you want to do this kind of effect, you need more source footage. But I mean, it is, since it's moving so fast, you can actually just duplicate it. So if you duplicate it a few times over here, so then we kind of get more. Yeah, so you can kind of tell that it's stitched together, but it's moving quite fast. So I think it could work. So yeah, that's about it. And if you want, actually, we can add like go here and search for speed, get this speed blur, and if I fill it right, so now when it starts the 10x speed, it's going to apply this blur effect, so it makes it a bit more fast moving. All right, that's it. So try this out and let us know what you think, and thank you for watching.